Welcome to Planter Garden TV. Alright guys, this year I've seen some real great result. This is a monster heirloom pumpkin. This is a monster. What I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna bust it because I only had 3 seeds. And I set them and 2 germinate, and these things produce some massive pumpkin. So with this, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bust this down and scrape out all the seed from this. This thing is, look at this thing. Ooh, this thing is about 40, 50, 60 pounds right around there. But yes guys, you gotta create history in your garden. You could make it. Let's make it happen. Peace.